Ready to maintain a good driving record? Here are some essential tips to keep you safe on the road. Prioritize regular vehicle maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Check tires, brakes, lights, and fluid levels to reduce the risk of mechanical failures that could lead to accidents. Stay informed about weather conditions and adjust your driving accordingly, especially in adverse conditions like rain, snow, or fog. Practice patience and remain calm behind the wheel, avoiding aggressive behaviors such as speeding, tailgating, or erratic lane changes. Use defensive driving techniques such as scanning the road ahead, maintaining a safe following distance, and anticipating the actions of other drivers. Always wear seatbelts and encourage passengers to do the same. Additionally, stay vigilant and avoid distractions like texting, eating, or grooming while driving, as they can divert your attention from the road. By consistently implementing these tips, you can foster safe driving habits and maintain a clean driving record, resulting in lower insurance premiums and a reduced risk of accidents. Drive safely,